Wishing my lovely children a beautiful and blessed morning. Welcome back to joyful yet educative maths learning session. Let's do assignment of cycle 5 in today's session. But before doing so, let's revise all the concepts done in cycle 5. Watch this video and listen it carefully. First, we have ascending and descending order. Now, ascending order. Numbers, when arranged from smallest to largest, are said to be in ascending order. Ascending order is also known as increasing order. Ascending means going up. Now, you can have a look at the example shown in this PPT. Now, there are few numbers given to you, and you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. So this you can do easily. Okay, now let's take descending order. Numbers, when arranged from largest to smallest, are said to be in descending order, and descending order is also known as decreasing order. Descending means going down. Now again, you can have a look at the example shown. Now few numbers are given to you, and to arrange the numbers in descending order, you write the largest number first and then moving on to the smallest one. So I hope that ascending and descending order is clear to you, and what is the difference between the two is clear. Okay, now let's move on to comparison of numbers. Now, comparison means to find out whether the two numbers are greater than, smaller than, or equal to each other. And for this, we need to follow few rules. Now, rule 1. The number with more digits is greater. Now, let's compare 96 and 108. Clearly, 96 has 2 digits and 108 has 3 digits. So, 108 is greater than 96. Now let's move on to the second rule. Now compare the digits in the hundreds place. Let's take an example, say 123 and 345. Now in the hundreds place, in first number we have 1, and in the second number, we have the digit 3. So clearly 1 is less than 3. So 123 is less than 345. Now rule 3. If the digits in the hundreds place are the same, then we compare those in the tens place. Clearly you can see the two numbers are 235 and 256. Now in hundreds place, both the numbers have the same digit 2. So moving on to tens place. We have 3 and 5. Now 3 is less than 5, as you know. So 235 is smaller than 256. And the signs of comparison you know, for smaller than, for greater than, and for equal to. Now let's move on to the fourth rule. If the digits in the hundreds and tens places are same, then we compare the digits in the ones place. Example, we have 835 and 831. Now in hundreds place, we have 8 in both the numbers. In tens place also, we have the same digit 3. So now moving on to ones place. We have 5 and 1. And you know that 5 is greater than 1. So, the number 835 is greater than 831. Now, I hope that comparison of numbers and the rules we need to follow is clear to you. So, let's move on to one more topic. Odd and even numbers. Now, when we look at these objects, you can see there's one girl and 2 girls there. There's a shoe and a pair of shoes. So those objects that are in twos are said to be in pairs. So those numbers which can be put into pairs are called even numbers, like 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And the numbers which cannot be put into pairs are known as odd numbers, like 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So even numbers can be put into pairs, whereas odd numbers cannot be put into pairs. Now, the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are known as odd numbers, and numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 are odd numbers. So I hope that even and odd numbers are also clear to you. So it's time to do assignment of cycle 5. So all of you get ready with your sharpened pencils, and I have attached a PDF file of assignment 5 to this video. If you want, you can take out the printout, or if you cannot, then you can do the assignment in your maths notebook. Follow all the instructions carefully. Do your work very neatly and carefully.